Hi, Dr. Ramp here at Revive. One more tip for gardeners out there. If you're going to be on the ground working, weeding, planting, that kind of thing, you want to make sure you're keeping a good posture while you're doing it. Really common, people tend to hunch over, round the back, and do their work from here. So what I want you to focus on is keeping your spine nice and straight. A couple ways to help cue your brain to do that. You can kneel while you're working, one leg up, hinging at the hips. When you want to bend forward, you're just going to push your butt backwards, keep your spine nice and straight, and then you can work from here. If, like me, you have shorter arms and that's a hard position to work from, you can go onto both knees. Again, push your butt backward. You can even sit all the way on your heels. Just make sure your spine is straight, and then when you bend forward, keep the spine straight while you're doing that. The other thing is to have a stool or a bucket, something you can sit on while you're working. You're just gonna sit right on top of the stool, like this. If you spread your legs wide enough, you can hinge at the hips here and lean forward this way. One last tip to remember while you're working on the ground is not to twist too much. It's really easy to be working here, see a weed over here, and you want to reach over and pull it. Don't do that. Reposition your whole body. It might take you a little bit longer to get the weeds pulled, but your body will thank you tomorrow. If you have more questions about gardening tips or need us to check out your back after you've been out there working, please let us know. We're happy to help you out.
Welcome to Revive Injury and Wellness in West Linn, Oregon. Our experienced team of chiropractors and massage therapist wellness professionals provide the best possible chiropractic care, laser therapy, and massage therapy to patients living with back pain, neck pain, headaches, and a variety of chronic pain conditions. At Revive Injury and Wellness, we utilize gentle chiropractic techniques, massage therapy, rehabilitative exercises, nutritional supplementation, and cold laser therapy to help you recover from back pain, neck pain, chronic pain, or injury from a workplace or auto accident. Our chiropractors and wellness team focus on the cause of your pain, not just the symptom, to help you lead a happier, healthier, pain-free life. We are here for you if you are in search of a chiropractor or accident and injury pain specialist in West Linn, Oregon, in Southeast Portland. Serving the communities of West Linn, Gladstone, Oregon City, Tualatin, Milwaukie, Wilsonville, Beavercreek, Canby, Molalla, Mulino, Clackamas, Willamette, Lake Oswego, and Happy Valley, Oregon in Clackamas County. Give us a call at 503-344-4378 and be sure to ask about our new patient special offer or visit our website at reviveinjury.com.